Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in these days, the whole world is combating to the unprecedented pandemic. So now the India is facing a huge agrarian disaster due to the international transboundary swarms of locust. So in this video, we will learn about the recent locust attack in India. First of all, what are locusts? It is a large grasshopper which you will find in the tropical region. There are several species of grasshopper that are found in different parts of the world except in poles. So today there are 10,000s of species that are known. So the swarms of locust which is coming towards our nation are desert locust. These desert locusts are mainly found in North Africa, Middle East and Indian subcontinent. The scientific name of this species is Cystosirca gregaria. They are the most dangerous migratory pests in the world. It can travel a long distance up to 150 km per day. Locust exists in two phases. When it is present in alone, then it look like this. It is called solitary phase. But if they are in swarms and the environmental conditions are congenial, they transform their forms completely. It is called gregarious phase. This metamorphosis of form changes everything about them, their behavior, habits, appearance, everything is different in solitary and gregarious phase. Their eating habits change in gregarious phase. They can eat more food and more varieties of food. Their endurance increase and their movement becomes more rapid. Even their brain size becomes large. It can easily transform its phase into gregarious phase from the solitary phase at any time. When the environmental conditions are congenial like recent rains, moist soil and lush vegetation around. The swarms of these locusts created in their gregarious phase and these swarms destroy everything in their way. They are polyphagous, means they can eat almost all types of crops and non-crops. An adult female locust can lay up to 85 to 95 eggs and their lifespan is 3 months life cycle. So in the monsoon season, the locust lay eggs and by the time kharif crops are ready to be harvested, the new generation of locust will be getting attacked to the kharif crop. So naturally, if their population is not controlled, then it can cause serious economic problem to our country's food supply. As of now in India, these insects are seen in the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh. So now the question arises is here is how did the locust arrive in India? So the locust attack in India today is the worst in the past 27 years in India. The 1993 was the last time conditions were so bad, but the climate change is indirectly held responsible for the locust attack happening today. It is believed that these insects originating in northern Africa in Sahara Desert, as I earlier cited that these pests are desert locust. This region receives short rainfall during the month of October to December. In India, we call this weather phenomenon as western disturbance. So this is the best suitable time for their breeding, and due to western disturbance the winds blow towards the eastern side, and with the winds swarms of locust can easily fly towards India. So the winds of the western disturbance play a major role in their migration. So from the northern region of Africa to countries of Yemen and Oman in Arabian Peninsula, and they enter India by the India-Pakistan border. Most countries combating locust swarms are mainly relying on organic phosphate chemicals. Drones are being deployed for controlling locust in Rajasthan. A drone can spray pesticide nearly 2.5 acres flight in 15 minutes. Some local villagers beating thalis and busting crackers. Officials said these measures will help in controlling and eliminating locust at their rest in place. The Union Food and Agriculture Organization, however, has warned more such type of attacks from India-Pakistan border. But for a country which is already battling pandemic, this is yet another challenge for us. I hope this video will help you in learning. If you really like the video, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Have an awesome day.